Hi, I'm Nishad, and this is Mehul, and we are the team members. We are developing a user interface project of for study assistant app called Study Bro. We use Pycharm for developing this program using the Python's Tkinter library. And here is the code presented here, and Mehul is gonna run the app.
So basically over here, I have started my code by importing the Tkinter library. And after that, I have opened the class quiz app in which it has the main window and the quiz state variables, which includes the title, geometry size, which is 450 multiplied by 350. And then I have also adjusted the size of the layout. And there is also the score of the that and the index, and then I have to also added the time feature, which is 180 seconds for this whole quiz. And I have added the self questions, which is going to be the five multiple choice questions, and which you can see these all are the five multiple choice questions. The green ones are the options, the blue ones are the answers below of the correct quiz. And then I have reshuffled them because when Nick is going to reattempt those questions, so it's going to reshuffle. So it's basically an additional feature which I have added into my code. And I have started my first screen in which I have created the defined create start screen, and I have added the main title label where it says welcome back to the study bro, and the Arial size is 14. And then after that, I have added a subtitle which is a kind of a personalized greeting to that student, and it says hello Nick, and the Arial size is 14. And the foreground of that hello Nick is purple because which is also linked to our last assignment there because that was also purple. So that's how I added this color. And after below that there is a button of to start the quiz. So I have also added that, and then I'm gonna run this code.
So as we see, here is the start screen showing the title, Welcome Back to Study Bro. Hello, Nick, which is the user's name. And and we're gonna press the Start Quiz button. And as Mehul said, we have added randomization to our quiz that every time you open the quiz, the questions are gonna shuffle. And on the top right corner, there is a timer, like which a timer for it's a countdown for how much time is left for the quiz to end. So user gonna select the option and he's gonna move forward with the next button. And after completing the five questions, he's gonna end up at the final score page, which is gonna show the total score as you see that the score he got is 4 out of 5, and here is a button that shows that he can try again to redo the quiz. S-
So
And this was
and
our
and then I've ended up my code with the last show screen in which it shows that the your final score is that one. And I have also added the text size, which should be 14. And then I've also added the restart button, which shows that try again, Nick, if he wants to do that question again. And the questions in that time will gonna shuffle so that he cannot see the same questions again when he starts the same quiz again. And after that, I have ended up my code by if name is equals to main, then root is equals to tk.tk, bracket open and close. That's basically the Tkinter library. And the app is quiz app root. And then it gonna have added the function of main loop. So this is how I finished my Python code to run this app. Thank you
So
so
it was
much.
a like we developed a really user-friendly code which can be run by small kids like Nick. Uh, um, and this was our end of our presentation. Thank you.